September 27, 2025, Broward Sheriff's Office deputies responded to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport to assist Spirit Airlines crew in removing an intoxicated and uncooperative passenger from the aircraft. Under 49 U.S.C. Section 44902, airlines hold broad federal authority to refuse transport to any passenger deemed a safety risk. Spirit Airlines exercised this statutory right lawfully when it directed the subject to deplane.
Power on. Touch blue dots together to connect.
Ma'am, let's get up. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Grab your stuff. Let's go. Okay?
They don't want you on.
They don't want you on the crowd. You're heavily intoxicated. You got to go. So let's go.
They want you to
I grab my stuff and you can move that way.
No problem. Come on. Let's go.
Move your shit. Can you grab my? Can you help me?
Where's your bag at?
Why are you yelling at me? I don't know where my fucking bag is. It's up there, and guess what? I have a lot of scuba.
Ma'am, listen. Shut up. Shut up.
Don't shut me up. You. Oh. Wow. I'm getting arrested because I told you. You guys see what is happening here? You guys see what is happening? This is not okay. This is not okay. This is why I don't come back. I don't deserve this. You guys don't. I don't deserve this. Fuck you. I don't deserve this. Sit up. I will sit up. Stop, dude. Stop. Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck is wrong with you people? You guys are fucking assholes. Fuck you. Stop. Stop. Just stop. Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why are you doing this? Why are you hitting me so much? Why are you hitting me so much? Why are you hitting me so much? Why are you doing this to me? Why? What? What are you doing? Oh my god, you guys stop! Stop! Please stop! Please.
Just walk.
Just stop!
Just walk.
Just stop! Oh my god! You guys, it hurts! It hurts!
Well, then walk.
I can't!
Just walk.
I can't! It hurts!
Just keep walking.
I can't! I can't!
Keep walking.
I can't!
Just keep walking.
I literally can you please stop? Please stop! Please! Please! You should have listened when they tell you to stop doing.
Keep walking. It's not that hard. We're helping you. Come on, stand up and walk. Not that hard.
Honey, I can't.
Stand up.
I can't.
Stand up.
Imagine how this would have been if you would have just cooperated and just got up and left.
Touch blue dots together to connect.
Broward County's Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport is doing its part to combat human trafficking. Projections are found 25 million people worldwide are victims of human trafficking. Sadly, it's happening in thousands.
I got it. You alright? I'm Sergeant Clee. I'm the supervisor on this shift. Do you understand that these are law enforcement officers? It's a yes or no question. Do you understand these are law enforcement officers? It's a yes or
hurting me.
He's trying to take your rings off because they have to come off one way or the other. Do you understand these are law enforcement officers?
Yes.
Okay. Were you asked to get off the plane by the flight crew?
What?
Were you asked to get off the plane by the flight crew?
Yeah, he was
Okay. When we actually get off the plane, the reason you're in this position is because instead of just doing what you were asked, you decided to fight us. You understand that, right?
yeah.
Okay. Are you hurt?
Am I what?
Are you hurt? Are you broken, bleeding, anything like that? Do you have any
Well, yeah, this.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, no, fuck off. Fuck you. Fuck you. What are you doing right now?
He's not doing anything.
Yeah, he is. He's fucking putting me down in my fucking. Yeah, what is he
around.
doing now?
You're not going to talk to my deputy that way.
Officers arrived and issued clear verbal directives, the lowest tier on the use of force continuum. Multiple commands to stand and exit the aircraft were given before any physical contact with the subject occurred. The subject refused every verbal directive and remained seated. Under Florida Statute, Section 843.02, obstructing an officer in the lawful execution of duty without offering violence is a first-degree misdemeanor. Physical removal was initiated only after all verbal options were exhausted. This sequencing is critical under Graham v. Connor, the 1989 Supreme Court decision establishing the objective reasonableness standard for force. Graham v. Connor identifies three factors: severity of the offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether she is actively resisting. All three factors here supported escalation to physical control. Reasonableness must be judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not with hindsight. A subject who collapses her body weight and screams while being escorted presents a genuine compliance challenge. Officers applied soft, empty hand control physical guidance without strikes or impact weapons. This technique is proportionate to the threat level presented. Sustained passive and active resistance throughout the removal. Sergeant Clay, the shift supervisor, took direct command of the encounter. His presence introduced oversight and clear communication, providing the subject a senior authority figure and an accurate account of her legal situation. Sergeant Clay stated the basis for arrest plainly. The subject refused to deplane and physically resisted officers. Under Florida Statute, Section 843.02, both acts satisfy the elements of obstructing a law enforcement officer. BSO correctly waited for a female officer before conducting the pat-down search. Departmental policy requires gender-appropriate searches, where practicable a protocol the officers followed precisely during this arrest. The search of the subject's bag was lawful under the Fourth Amendment search incident to arrest doctrine, established in Chimel v. California in 1969. A lawful custodial arrest removes the warrant requirement for this search. Leg shackles were applied after the subject continued resisting during transport preparation. BSO policy authorizes additional restraints when a subject demonstrates a sustained pattern of physical non-compliance posing transport risk. The subject was taken into custody on a charge of resisting a law enforcement officer. Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, conviction carries up to 1 year in jail. A felony charge under Section 843.01 remains possible. Formal case disposition was unconfirmed at the time of this analysis. Viewers may search Broward County court records for updates. Any felony charge under Section 843.01 would require additional evidence from inside the aircraft.
Because you didn't decide to make the right decisions today.
What is he doing to me right now?
He's making sure that you are secure against the vehicle because you've shown that you cannot
he's
even
hurting
stand.
me.
He's not hurting you at all, ma'am. As soon as we get a female here to pat you down, you're going to go in the back of my car. You'll be able to sit down, okay?
Do you not, like, that hurts. Like, it hurts.
Like what?
No, my arm where you fucking rape and pillage fucking girls.
Well, how about this? If you would have
That,
got
no,
up to do what
that
you're supposed
hurts.
to do, you wouldn't be here.
Baby, guess what? I can feel you. You're a fucking pillager. You fucking hurt girls. I can see you. You fucking hurt girls.
You requested Jenny Bauer to come over here?
I can feel it. You hurt girls. Good for you. You fucking asshole. Good for you. No, good for you. You're fucking really good at what you do. Everything hurts. Like, literally everything hurts.
Hey, what's the code on this?
What?
What's the code on your back?
I don't. What?
The code? Look, the code
I
on your
don't
back.
fucking know. My bag is going to
Right here.
fucking.
It's here. What's the code on your back?
What? You're fucking looking at me? I don't know, dude. My bag is going to fucking Honduras. I'm sorry. I'm not like you. I don't fucking videotape everything fucking people do.
I just need to open your bag.
All right. ahead.
What's the code?
I don't know.
How do you not know the lock code to your bag?
Why do you have my fucking bag?
Because you're under arrest. So I have your bag. I need to see what's in the bag.
Can I get out of this stuff, please? Why?
I told you. Once the female gets
Why are you
here,
so angry at
I'm
me?
not angry at you. I've explained this to you. So if you want to listen, I'm happy to explain it to you again.
No, I'm just. He's asking about my bag. He's asking
Because he wants to make sure that you have all your property. We're not trying to be mean and rude to you. We're asking questions that we need to know the information.
So why is this happening right now?
Because you refused to get off the flight, and we asked you to get off the flight,
No.
and you fought us on it. This is the consequences of your actions. That's all it is.
It was the WestJet flight.
No, the Spirit Airlines flight that you were missing. It wasn't WestJet, it was Spirit Airlines. But yes, that flight.
I want to go. I'm not supposed to be there.
You put yourself in this position.
I know, but I'm not.
So,
I know, but I'm not supposed to be there.
no, you shouldn't have fought us. 100%. I can agree with you. But you did, and this is the consequences of your actions.
Can I go back to where I was supposed to be
No,
then?
ma'am. You're going to jail.
What? What?
Yes. Why do you think you're in handcuffs?
For what?
She has rings that's kind of hard to get off.
Hold on, what? I'm going to jail for what?
Resisting?
Public intoxication, everything.
Public intoxication, resisting.
She has a ring. So keep her down.
And resisting arrest.
She has to keep her down. She got two
Resisting
rings
arrest,
on.
yes, ma'am.
Oh, see if we can get him off.
Yes, you did. On the flight.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me or anything? You hear what I said? Anything on you?
But I'm asking her.
Yes, you did.
When?
As soon as we put the handcuffs on you, you fought, you kicked, you fell into another passenger, you refused to get off the flight. That's all resisting. You refused to
Why the other flight?
I just have to make sure. Come on. Do you have anything on you? You have a bra? Do you have a bra?
A blunt, yeah. Hold on, there's something wrong with my arm. It actually hurts a lot. I'm not gonna lie.
Yes, do me a favor.
It actually hurts a lot.
The handcuffs aren't meant to be comfy.
You just need to take everything.
Okay, come on.
Hey, fuck you.
Get in the car.
Get in the car. Have enough of you. Get in the fucking car.
Where's your shackles?
Huh? It's in the truck. Oh. Give me a freak. Give me a freak. This way.
What?
Put your feet out this way. I gotta put shackles on you.
I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. Why are you doing this to me?
You did see yourself. Get back in the car.
Why are you doing this to me?
Get back in the car. Come on.
Why are you doing this to me?
I got it.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? What the fuck is wrong with What did I do to you? Why are you fucking doing this to me? I'm just gonna be. Ow!
I got it.
What's happening? What's happening?
Get yourself in the stage cam.
Okay.
Lesson 1. Federal law under 49 U.S.C. Section 44902 grants airlines full authority to remove passengers for safety. Refusing that directive asserts no legal right. It creates direct, foreseeable conditions for criminal arrest. Lesson 2. Every use of force element in this encounter was a direct consequence of the subject's initial refusal. Compliance at any stage would have eliminated or significantly shortened the arrest and restraint that followed. Lesson 3. The officers demonstrated key best practices: verbal commands first, supervisor oversight, gender-appropriate search protocol, and a documented legal justification for every escalation step throughout the arrest.